Hey out there, welcome to Spilling the Medical Tea with Dr. T, the medical portion of Spilling the Tea with Dr. T, where we're not about gossip or slander, but we aim to share the truth, knowledge, upliftment, and to add positively to your life in some way. You may or may not have known that August is National Immunization Month, or in other words, National Vaccine Month, and I just wanted to talk briefly with you about the importance of vaccines. Yes, I know there has been controversy around vaccines for decades, especially regarding their safety, whether they cause serious side effects such as autism, and there are opinions, there's evidence on both sides of the fence for and against vaccines. But one thing that COVID-19 has taught us is that vaccines are very important. That is my position. Vaccines are very important, and for me, they save lives. So let me just give you 3 quick nuggets about vaccines. One is that vaccines are responsible for eradicating diseases of the past that have literally killed millions of people, wiped out entire villages and populations. And so vaccines throughout history have actually done more benefit than harm to our society and to the people of this world. Vaccines are responsible for eradicating such deadly diseases of the past, such as the bubonic plague, the Spanish flu, polio, and smallpox. We rarely see any of these diseases, some of them none at all, because of the effectiveness of vaccines. So vaccines have had more benefits than harm throughout history. The second thing is that vaccines are important in what we call preventative health, and preventative health is key in medicine. So the thinking is, you don't want to wait to get sick and then the medicine has to work, the medical community has to work to get you well. The aim is always to try to prevent disease. That is the leading frontier for medicine. And vaccines are very important in preventing disease, preventing you from suffering from illness from the onset versus working to try to correct what has already gone forward. So vaccines are key in preventative health, and preventative health is very important in medicine. And lastly, as an adult, you still need vaccines. There's a misconception that kids are the primary people who should be getting vaccines. Not saying that it's not important, but kids are the primary people who should be getting vaccines, and then adults kind of just fall off the wagon. Your adult vaccinations are just as important as your childhood vaccinations, especially as you get older. So speak with your medical doctor, your primary care doctor, about getting your vaccines on the schedule that you should be getting them as an adult, whether it be your tetanus vaccine for people with certain chronic illnesses, or once you reach a certain age, you should be getting pneumonia vaccines, shingles, hepatitis vaccines, and a host of others. So 3 top nuggets I want to drop to you about the importance of vaccines. They've done more benefit to us than harm. They are key in preventative medicine, meaning preventing disease, and adults